Despite all of that, in how many of the pictures do you actually bother to count? All your pretty I like dogs and Motogp and maybe 3 people shirt family members together? Wishing you safe travels this holiday season. Pretty I like dogs and Motogp and maybe 3 people shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, tank top, V-neck, hoodie, sweatshirt. It is again the time of the year for which all of us are eagerly waiting. And most of us pretty I like dogs and Motogp and maybe 3 people shirts are also immersed in preparation and try to give much beautify to our home. Let's give it a other products.